Hello students, previous class we are completed up to 14 problems in level 2. 15th question, see that in a triangle PQR, we know very well in triangle sum of the angles how much? 180 degrees. Angle P plus Q plus R 180 degrees. This is one condition. After that 3 sin P plus 4 cos Q is equal to 6 and 4 sin Q plus 3 cos P that is equal to 1. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Do that 1 and 2 squaring and adding. Squaring and adding. So first I am going to do that left hand side. In left hand side 3 sin P plus 4 cos Q is there. Apply the square. A plus B whole square form. 9 sin square P plus 16 cos square Q plus 2AB 24 sin P cos Q. First one is completed. Plus, now go to the second one, second equation. 16 sin square Q plus 9 cos square P plus 24 sin Q cos P. But see the right hand side, 6 square 36, 1 square 1. Now students observe here, sin square P cos square P. These two observe that. Take 9 common, sin square P plus cos square P value is 1. Students, have you understood? 16 cos square Q, this is Q, and 16 sin square Q. In both the terms take 16 common, cos square Q plus sin square Q, that is 1. Yes or no? Next, remaining terms observe here, 24 sin P cos Q, 24 sin Q cos P. In both the terms take 24 common. Now remaining what is it? Sin P cos Q plus cos P sin Q. That is equal to 37. 36 plus 1, 37 or not? Now 9 into 1 is how much? 9. 16 into 1? 16. 9 plus 16, this value is 25. Send right hand side. Now 24 into, this is in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is the formula? Sin of A plus B sin P plus Q. That is equal to 37 minus 25. How much students? 12. Sin of, already given here condition. What is P plus Q? R 180 minus R. In place of P plus Q, I am writing 180 minus R. That is equal to 12 by 24. That value should be 1 by 2. 180 minus theta, second quadrant, sine is positive. Sine R, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means how many degrees? 30 degrees. Now finally, angle R, how much? 30 degrees. That is pi by 6. See the answer, what they are given. They are asking angle R only. That is pi by 6. That is pi by 6. Don't take 5 pi by 6. Hello students. This is a matrix matching type. Observe this condition. This condition. Compare that first term, last term. Identify that. What is sin x? Sin x is equal to ak. Similarly, what is cos x, students? Bk. Similarly, tan x is equal to ck. Okay. Now go to the list one. First bit. What is there? BC. What is B? Cos x is equal to bk. Only B means 1 by k into cos x, or cos x divided by k. Students, are you understood? What is C? Tan x by k. That is denominators, k into k square, cos x. Tan x means what? Sin x divided by cos x. Cos x cancel. 1 by k square. What is sin x, students? ak. K also cancel. Final answer is a by k. See, BC, first bit answer, a by k. What is that? See, verify the options. 1 to C. Which option is correct? First option is correct. In that basis, follow the second one also. What is second one? A square plus B square. What is A? Sin x by k. We get sin square x by k square. B square means cos square x by k square. Take 1 by k square common. Remaining sin square x plus cos square x 1. That answer should be 1 by k square. Students, see that second bit answer. D. Similarly, we can solve third and fourth also. Now third one, 1 by ck plus ak by